Good morning, children. Children, you what? Watch your body, what you see and what you observe. Children, in this class, we know about our body parts. Human body is a system that is capable of doing many things. Human body has many parts. Each part of our body is useful. Our body helps us to do many things. You see eyebrow, eye, nose, mouth, chin, chest, arm, hand, children here, forehead, ear, cheek, teeth. Then you see what? Children, the lower lip, tongue, elbow, stomach, knee, foot. My children, and you see here leg and toe. We can do many things with our body. We have one nose, 2 ears, 2 hands and 2 feet. We have 10 fingers in our hand and 10 toes in our feet. We can clap, we can paint, we can write and eat with our hands. We can jump, we can skip, we can climb, children, and we can run with our legs. Children, there are 5 sense organs in our body, including eyes, nose, ear, skin and tongue. And senses are sight, hear, taste, children, and also smell and touch. Children, their senses. Children, sense organs are eye, ear, tongue, children, and also you see, hear, nose, skin. Children, eyes help us to see. See, you see, the child is watching what? The television. Ear help us to hear. Children, tongue help us to taste the food. Now you see here, nose help us to smell different odor. The skin help us to feel. Children, here exercise 1. Fill in the blanks using the given options. We see with our children. What to write here? You write here eyes. We smell with our dash. We smell with our nose. N-O-S-E, nose. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Then children, we hear sounds with our ears. E-A-R-S, ears. We can feel things with our skin. S-K-I-N, skin. We can taste things with our dash, with our tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Children, what you see, find the names of the body parts from the grid given below. Children, ear. What you do? Children, ear. Then nose. N-O-S-E, children, you see? Nose. Then eye. Children, where? You see E. Here, children. Okay. Then skin. S-K-I-N. Children, S-K-I-N here. Then tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. How you do it, children? You see the spelling and do like this. Then question number 3. Answer the following questions. What are the things that our body can do? Children, what are the things? You can what? Children, clap and write. Then what to do with our body? Children, walk. Then jump. Many things. Children with our body. Then B. How many sense organs do you have? Children, how many? 5. 5 sense organs. Then name any 2 sense organs. Children, what do you write here? Eye. Then ear. Name any 2 senses. So any 2 senses, what you? Children, sight. SIGHT, sight. And hear. By ear, what do you hear? By eye, the sense is what? For sight. Children, like this, you write and send to our WhatsApp group. But the children, try to write in good handwriting and you enjoy the chapter. You feel this chapter. It is your body. So, body parts. Okay, you touch it and know it. By touching, you know it. And what to do it? Children. So, you feel, you smell, you taste, hear, sight. How? By your sense organs. And also you can jump, skip, climb, run, clap, paint, write, eat by your hands and legs. Children, enjoy the chapter. Okay, thank you.